Good morning and welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy. Today we're gonna unbox this is my new earwax remover kit. So I was looking to get one and I saw these online. These are actually really cool. So we're gonna unbox this. But the reason I bought this one, it has the wax remover with the camera. Also, it has this one here that's for rinsing and cleaning. So like I was looking and these ones are normally anywhere 20 bucks, 25 bucks, 30 bucks, depending what model you're buying. And these ones are like 10, 15, 20 bucks, right? So this one was the combo set, I guess, and it comes with both. So let's jump in. Let's open this up real quick. So you have this. You have this. So this is where you put you can put water or you can put cleaning solution, I guess. It comes in a manual. You have to consult with your doctor. I am not a doctor, okay? So don't take just my advice. This is something you want to talk to your doctor. It might not be suitable for everybody, but I've seen a lot of TikTok videos. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. So I'm like, I'm going to try it, okay? So this one, you can put water or you can put solution. And then you basically pump it and it rinses the stuff from the ear, okay? You might see it's a little bit wet because I actually tried it yesterday when I first got it. And it works really good. Okay, so you have this inside. Also, you have this here. Okay, I'm gonna get into that in 2 seconds. If you guys are brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to support my channel and you can see all my different reviews. Okay, so this one also comes with this and this. So this is a little thing you hold under the ear. So when you're actually rinsing, the water doesn't go all over the place. So the stuff that comes out, all the wax and stuff. So you can throw it out, you can wash it. This, I wouldn't suggest putting in a dishwasher because it's really hot, so it might melt some stuff. Just wash it with hands and soap or whatever you do. Okay. Also, I know everybody wants to open this. I'm going to open this last. Also, it comes with these cleaning supplies here. There's a brush. There's different sizes here that you can clean the ear for wax removing. Again, I'm not a doctor, so you have to be very, very, very careful using these because you don't want to damage your ear. Okay, so make sure you consult with your doctor, or if you're trying at home, go very, very slowly. Okay, now look, this one here. So this here is the actual, I guess, the camera, whatever you want to call it. This has a little camera on top. I'm going to show you guys real quick. The rechargeable, it's type C, and it has this. So what this top part is, obviously it does come with a manual, ear cleaner with camera. So you want to read this, you want to know how to use it. You don't want to misuse it and damage your ear. So what you want to do, it actually comes in different languages. If you don't read Chinese, it's okay. It comes in English as well. You have to download this app right here. You can scan this and on the screen it gives you a name. You can touch it. If you use Apple or if you use an Android phone. Okay. Also, you download the app and you connect it with this, right? So I already has this charged and turn them on. And you're going to see this blinking because it's not connected. Once you have your app running and it connects to your phone, it stops blinking so you know it works. So whichever direction you're using this, there's a camera up here. So this top part has to stay in because it's a metal piece, so you don't want to damage your ear. So there's a plastic on it. Make sure it's tight. And as you put this in your ear, you can see everything. Super cool, super neat. I bought one. I wanted to buy one for the longest time, but I was hesitating. I was like, oh, do I buy this? Do I not buy this? But I bought this one. I'm super, super happy. I was looking in my ear. I'm like, oh my God. And obviously my ear is very clean. I shower twice a day, but there's always stuff builds up. Or sometimes you go jump in a pool and you might have get little things in your ear from the pool, or if you go in the lake or whatever, right? Super neat. Also, some places you might not reach, like sometimes it could be like something, you ever had like a toothache and you're like, oh, I got something stuck on my tooth. This is like a little camera. You can actually like hold it against your mouth, hold it against your teeth, and you can actually see what's going on. Super neat. I'm going to leave you guys the link. I was looking at this on Amazon, and there's so many different companies, so many different brands. This had really, really good reviews. So I bought one, and I'm super happy so far. I'm going to leave you guys the link. If you need one, maybe for yourself, maybe for a gift, check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. And make sure, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you used one of these before, or you were thinking to buy one, or if you know somebody who used them, let me know what you experience. Have a great day.